just came in the mail today. And they're not the right ones. Like, I can use the main jet, but the pilot jet, it don't fit in there. So I'll just put a 35 main jet in there. It's a little different. It's a smaller jet, but it's still thread in. So I'm gonna start off with the 135. Let's see what they do. Jet, this is the original jet I had drilled out. It was running too rich. So I stepped it down to the 135. I over torqued it, cracked that one. So I got the stock one back. Took the breather from there, just tapped it, put it in there. And I'm surprised it cleared. We got enough clearance from the rocker. It looks like it barely can do it though. It's clear. I pulled the engine over. I ain't hear no noise. I'll see when I start it, but yeah. Then for this breather right here, that's coming from the top of the engine. I'm gonna run it to the side right here. Through there. Yeah, so it's gonna be the same thing, but just on the stock valve cover. Took out the baffle. I had to use this RTV on that ugly ass gasket. So I took this off, the old one, put a new hose. It really fit on there, but I put this hose clamp to tighten it down, lock it down. We're gonna see how that works. Got the breather. Pull it over, ain't gonna hit nothing. No knocking, we clear. So now I just gotta put the car back on and test the jet to it. I just gotta put gas in there. Oh, nice and tight. I don't know why, but I'm nervous, bro. There's so much shit, so long. This bike been down for so long. Throttle cable. I gotta mess with the idle mixture screw. Turn it in, so raise it up. I forgot what this called, but I gotta mess with that one too. Watch some YouTube videos on it real quick before I put the gas in it. The gas price is too high. You know, this is the 87. Ain't got the premium. All right, I got that set. I just turned the idle mixture screw. I don't know what the fuck that's called, but it's not good. I just turned that out. I just turned it a half, one full turn and a half out. So that's a good starting right there. That's how I could tune it. Good starting point. They're gonna fill it up all the way. Even though it's a small tank. Still gotta put a bowl up. Whoa. Quicker than I thought. That gas don't even smell good. It smells varnish already. into a problem and started leaking oil out the valve cover gasket. On my way to belt tire, I had to stop and put some air in it. But other than that, the first test drive went smooth. Now I just gotta change the jet out. I know I already said it, but it's 35. Still the main pilot jet. It's running good. Like, I get it past like half throttle. Right when I get to half throttle, it start breaking up. I can't get full throttle, so I think I'm gonna go up to a 40 jet, see what that do. Then I might go up a little bit more. Alright, so now I just swapped out the 135 for 140. And that's the 140 is the biggest jet I got, so I gotta see what that do. If that don't open up the top end, I gotta buy some more pilot jets. And that's gonna take a few days, but hopefully this will get it good enough. Alright, let's give it a once over. Tighten down the valve cover. But the gasket, I need a whole new one. It's oozing out, leaking out. Then I'll tighten the motor mounts up a little bit more. I'm gonna check the oil, then we're gonna go back out. Paint holding up good. There's some flames like back here. I still gotta get the carburetor figured out. I can get over 32 miles per hour. My pilot jet, I need to get the pilot jet figured out. There's a 40 in there, 140. But with this factory pilot jet. That's a wrap. It's back running, it's fixed.